Rethinking X. Bringing you information, entertainment, and ideas from a happening world.
Cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance found in the bloodstream. Our bodies require cholesterol to make hormones and aid digestion. There are mainly two types of cholesterol, HDL, or good cholesterol, and LDL, or bad cholesterol. When we have high LDL cholesterol in our bloodstream, it can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow through and potentially leading to clogged arteries. This can increase the risk of heart attack, stroke, and damage to other parts of the body, such as the lungs and kidneys. The main reasons for high LDL cholesterol include an improper diet, unhealthy lifestyle, and lack of exercise. However, lifestyle changes and medical treatments can help to lower LDL cholesterol and clear clogged arteries. Eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, not smoking, and maintaining a healthy weight can all help to reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries and improve overall cardiovascular health. Medications such as statins can also help to lower LDL cholesterol levels and reduce plaque buildup, while blood pressure medications like ACE inhibitors can reduce the risk of clogged arteries. Angioplasty, stenting, and bypass surgery may also be used to open clogged arteries. Today, I am going to share a natural home remedy that can also help to clean clogged arteries and lower LDL cholesterol. This powerful remedy has been used by many people and has been proven to be effective. If used regularly, you will see amazing results within 2 weeks. The remedy is simple to make and uses ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. Not only will it help lower LDL cholesterol and clean your arteries, it will also lower blood pressure, help with insulin resistance, and aid in weight loss. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It is important to note that if you already have a health condition, you should consult with your doctor before using this remedy. Also, it is important to continue taking any existing medications regularly. To make this powerful remedy, you will need the following ingredients: lemon juice, 100 milliliters, garlic juice, 100 milliliters, ginger juice, 100 milliliters, apple cider vinegar, 100 milliliters, honey, 100 milliliters. Lemons contain high levels of vitamin C, which has been found to have a protective effect on cardiovascular health. Consuming lemon juice will help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of clogged arteries. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health conditions, including heart disease. Garlic contains compounds that can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of clogged arteries. It also helps to lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, which help to reduce the risk of clogged arteries, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Apple cider vinegar helps to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of clogged arteries. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which help to lower blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes who are at an increased risk of clogged arteries. Honey has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. It has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Consuming moderate amount of honey helps in cardiovascular health. Preparation. To make garlic and ginger juice, start by peeling ginger. You can use a grater or blend it and strain it through a strainer to get a clear juice. Repeat the same process to get garlic juice. Take a pan and add all 4 ingredients: ginger juice, garlic juice, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar, to the pan. Cook on low to medium heat until the mixture reduces to 3/4 of its original volume. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Once cooled, add honey and mix well. Pour the juice into a glass bottle and refrigerate for up to 1 month. To consume, Drink 30 milliliters of the juice on an empty stomach in the morning, and follow it with a half glass of warm water. Shake the bottle well before drinking. If you drink this powerful natural juice for 2 weeks, you will be amazed by the results. Transform your health in just 2 weeks with our potent natural juice blend. In conclusion, cholesterol is a vital substance in our bodies, but when its levels are high, it can lead to clogged arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. By making lifestyle changes such as eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, not smoking, and maintaining a healthy weight, you can help to reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries and improve overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, this powerful natural remedy, made with ingredients found in your kitchen, can aid in lowering LDL cholesterol levels and cleaning clogged arteries. Remember to consult with your doctor if you have any existing health conditions before using this remedy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.